Which ERP platform is better? Erpnext, Odoo, Dolibarr, or the SAP?
So, if you're a small to mid-sized business, then Erpnext is an open source, clean and great for manufacturing and services. It's user-friendly and free to self-host. Odoo, on the other hand, is that this site is super flexible with tons of modules, CRM, sales, accounting, you name it all, or you can see it right on the screen. Um, it is great for growing business, but watch out, some features require paid plans. Let's go to Dolibarr. Dolibarr is the underdog. This is actually a lightweight, simple, and ideal for freelancers or small orgs needing invoicing, inventory, and basic ERP on a budget. So the SAP, or this one right here, the SAP, is that this is the enterprise beast. It's expensive, complex, and made for massive corporations, but it is super powerful with unmatched scalability. So you should choose Erpnext if you want a simplicity or open source. Choose Odoo if you want modular plus scalable type of work. Use Dolibarr if you want some basic and budget friendly. Use this SAP if you want an enterprise level powerhouse. So you should pick based on your size, tech skills, and your budget.